Hi, I'm Dr. Stephen Hausman of Hausman Technology Presentations. As a futurist, I provide customized keynotes and lectures on a wide variety of emerging and disruptive technologies that include 3D printing, robotics and artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, the Internet of Things, bionics and human enhancement, self-driving vehicles, cybersecurity, climate change, and medically related topics such as gene editing, regenerative medicine, health, nutrition, and aging. According to organizations as diverse as the World Bank and the National Association of Corporate Directors, we are in the midst of a digital revolution that has massive implications for the health of the business community. This revolution has already created new ways of working and socializing, and the pace of change will only accelerate. Indeed, if we think too conventionally about the future, it is unlikely that we will be able to surmount the challenges we will face. For example, smartphones have only been available since 2007, yet they are such integral parts of our lives that we take them for granted. The advent of technologies such as 5G, the Internet of Things, and gene editing, and the effects on the world produced by climate change will only exacerbate what we have to deal with up until now in ways that are hard to imagine. The use of robots will alter employment levels and change how jobs will be learned and structured. 3D printing technology will cause shifts in manufacturing capabilities. Regenerative medicine will heal and rebuild our bodies and alter medical care practices. And artificial intelligence will manage many of our businesses. Self-driving cars may do away with the need for car services and taxi cabs, and may radically decrease insurance company revenues. Indeed, entire countries and economies will be transformed such that we will be forced to alter rapidly our business strategies. It is especially important that we prepare for and understand the implications of cybersecurity. Our businesses are threatened by cyber extortion and ransomware and other cyber threats that are pervasive and continual. These will only increase in coming years. If we do not prepare for them by developing greater resilience and defensive capabilities, then economic espionage and intellectual theft will, at the very least, hamper our ability to compete and potentially disrupt our businesses to the point that they might even fail. It is incumbent on every manager to be knowledgeable about digital issues and to invest in them appropriately. Only by understanding these changes will it be possible to adapt to them and profit from them. We need to approach emerging and disruptive technologies as a strategic imperative and not just as an operational issue. I can help you achieve that goal with my ability to describe complex concepts in science and technology, along with their social and ethical implications, in clear and understandable language. The famous ice hockey player Wayne Gretzky was asked in an interview why he thought he was so successful and scored so many goals. He replied, "I skate to where the puck is going to be and not to where it was." In this period of innovation and disruptive technologies, that same proactive philosophy will serve the business community well. Let me help you skate to the future. Thank you for watching.